Real quick, I just want to explain some pronunciation differences between standard Arabic and dialect. So here we have the letter qaf. This makes a qa sound, arguably one of the most difficult letters to pronounce in Arabic. But there's not many. There's like literally 4 that are very, very difficult to pronounce. The rest you can. I'll talk about this later. But qa, this makes a qa sound. Don't worry if you can't pronounce it. What I wanna communicate to you is in dialect, in a lot of instances, this is pronounced as a, like a glottal stop, or g. Some examples, the word qalb, heart, yeah, it could be pronounced as alb with a alb, or galb, okay, alb or galb. Now we have this letter over here, harf al-dha makes a dha sound, a heavy th, like the word the, yeah, the same th there, but heavy. We have a regular th, dal, this is dha, heavy dha, okay. This, a lot of instances could change to a heavy za sound. So for example, we have the word dharf, which is circumstance or envelope. This in dialect would be zarf. Or you have the word dhulm, injustice. In dialect, this would be zulm with a za, heavy za sound. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.